Hey, welcome back to Walking the Dogs, the weekly podcast where we'll unpack how to architect GTM, onboarding, and customer experience across marketing and customer success to drive growth in small to mid-sized SaaS orgs using my growth framework. It's Lisa here, out with Dusty and Tanner, where we burn off canine energy and work through growth problems along the way. Today we are continuing the gauge stage of the growth framework and talking about a problem hiding underneath every AI strategy. Your AI strategy is only as good as the data it can find. Companies are rushing to deploy co-pilots, predictive scoring, automated personalization, content generators, and AI agents. Everyone wants faster decisions, smarter recommendations, and scalable execution. But too many companies are putting AI on top of a data mess. AI does not repair missing context. It reasons from the context it receives. If the data is incomplete, outdated, duplicated, contradictory, or disconnected from business outcomes, the AI may produce a confident answer, which means it will be wrong, but it'll be delivered faster and at greater scale. That is like asking an AI assistant to choose the best route for walking Dusty and Tanner. The assistant recommends a 3-mile loop through the park. Perfectly logical, right? Except I forgot to mention that Tanner reacts to bicycles, Dusty stops for every squirrel, and one trail is closed, the pavement's too hot, and I only have 20 minutes. One dog has already walked way too many blocks. The route is not bad because the intelligence failed. The route is bad because the context was incomplete. The same thing happens inside a company. Your structured data may include CRM records, opportunities, campaign responses, product usage, support activity, customer attributes, revenue, and renewal information. Your unstructured data includes emails, call transcripts, meeting notes, support conversations, and win-loss feedback and other data. Your external data usually includes firmographics, technographics, market trends, could include hiring patterns, funding events, and organizational changes. Most companies have pieces of all three: structured, unstructured, and external data. Very few have them connected. That is why the gauge stage requires a data audit before the AI rollout. It's important to score the data for completeness, accuracy, consistency, recency, deduplication, permissions, governance, and connection to the business outcomes is important. Then ask the question, can marketing, sales, customer success, product finance, and the AI system see the same company in reality? That's the purpose of a unified context layer. It brings marketing, engagement, sales conversations, product behavior, third-party information, so that humans and systems are all working from the same version of the truth. Not a perfect version, a usable, governed, and connected version. When we walk the dog in business, we do not pretend the map is complete. We put rough thinking on the board, identify the missing blocks, add what the team knows, and then inform a path to go forward. AI should be treated the same way. Before you ask it to make a decision, make sure it can see the whole route. So what decision are you asking AI to make before checking whether it has the customer and revenue context required? That may be the next dog you need to walk. All right, Dusty and Tanner, let's head back home.